Now I'm going to talk about microfabrication lab or clean room laboratory. I'm going to emphasize on the cost of the instrument and their function in the fabrication of microfluidics. This is because many papers or articles, you will see the cost of the equipment and the maintenance, space consuming, installation requirement that limit the access of many laboratories in the company to manufacture microfluidics. Before you enter in a clean room, you have to wear special clothes for clean room with the mask and the gloves. There are also special shoes. When you enter, you will find that in a clean room, there is a yellow light. The yellow light is necessary in a clean room lab to prevent photoresist damage. During the fabrication of digital microfluidic or microfluidic in general, there is a step of coating photoresist, and the photoresist properties change when exposed to different wavelengths of light. The first instrument that plays the central role in microfluidic fabrication or microfabrication is mask aligner. Mask aligner is an instrument which has a UV mercury lamp. The UV mercury lamp is here, inside here. And this UV mercury lamp produces a UV illumination exposed to photoresist coated on the substrate during microfluidic fabrication. The substrate is introduced into the mask aligner, and the mask with the desired pattern is pressed above the substrate, and UV light is illuminated over the mask, and this facilitates the transfer of pattern to the substrate. UV light source is the key component of any mask aligner in annual maintenance cost of the UV aligner. UV light takes the biggest part, and it is estimated between $10,000 to $20,000 of maintenance cost. And the cost of this instrument is between $32,000 and $62,000. Another instrument is a spin coater. It is used for depositing material onto the substrate with accurate and controllable film thickness. When you are coating photoresist or the electric layer on the substrate, you use a spin coater. This is to control the film thickness. And the cost of this is between $1,000 to $4,000. We also have a heating plate for soft baking or hard baking. After coating, the resistor film contains a remaining solvent. Soft bake reduces the remaining solvent in order to avoid the mask contamination or sticking of the resistor to the mask, and also improve adhesion to the substrate. We also have a lab fume hood. Lab fume hood is common in chemistry, physics, biology lab. It is generally applicable for common laboratory application, such as boiling, evaporation, drying, and other applications that emit fume and vapors. Another instrument is a thin film deposition instrument used for vacuum coating. This is widely used in the field of jewelry, craft, mobile shell, and electronics. And the substrate can be steel, plastic, ceramic, glass, and so on. For the case of DMF fabrication, this instrument is used for coating chromium on glass substrate. And digital microscope is also used for high-resolution images. The pattern made on the substrate is in micrometer scale, so a microscope is needed to evaluate the pattern on the substrate. And the plasma cleaner removes the contaminants, is used to move the contaminants and the impurities on the surface, and also produce an etching effect to roughen the surface of the sample. In the case of solid, when the solid is used, the original chemical bond of the solid surface can be broken. There is a formation of a network of cross-linked structure, which greatly activate the surface activity. In general, this is to activate and improve the surface activity of the material. You can also see the cost of this instrument. Although the cost of DMF or microfluidic fabrication is challenging, many laboratories and the companies are still doing research on digital microfluidic, and there are some microfluidic products that have reached the market. Some DMF received authorization of FDA for diagnostic testing, FDA meaning United States Food and Drug Administration. This is because digital microfluidic has many unique properties, such as possibility of laboratory automation and provide the result in a short time. There is also capability to perform multiple operations, washing, mixing, testing on the same device. The small sample also, the digital microfluidic uses small sample, microliter, nanoliter, picoliter, and also minimal waste. When there is a small sample, there is also minimal waste and low disposal cost. There's also minimal human exposure to reagents. Assay is performed using a computer program to run the required experimental steps. This computer program is used to run an experiment, and there is a limited contact of a human and sample. Thank you. See you for next topic.